Unboxing of the Mobvoi TicWatch Pro 3 GPS smartwatch. Now shout out to Mobvoi for sending this over. Let's dive right in. Alright, here's the box. Still brand new in the plastic as you can see. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. I'll take my blade here and gonna make a incision somewhere here. So let's just do this real fast. Let's see. Gonna do one of these and then just get the plastic off. Get it out, throw that to the side, and here's the box. TicWatch Pro 3 GPS, some information here on the bottom. Pause the video if you want to check that out. Nothing on this side, nothing on that side. And then on the bottom, I'm gonna flip it over here. TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. Pause the video if you want to check that out, but the main takeaway here is the new Snapdragon 4100 platform, which is brand new for this watch. IP68 water and dust resistant as well. HD heart rate, etc. Google Assistant built in. Check that out. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Oh, look at this. Pull this out. TicWatch Pro 3 quick guide. Throw that to the side. And then, here we go. TicWatch, as you can see, love the black on black look. We'll open this up. Oh, look at that. I like the presentation here. Look at the pattern in the box. Some sort of holographic pattern. Pretty nice. I dig it. We'll go ahead and pull the watch out. We'll put it to the side for now. And what do we get in the box? Here we get more safety information, product safety information, all this jazz. Customer care. Have a look. And then some stuff that you can eat. Throw that to the side. And this is the charging cable, which I'll have a look. So it's the regular USB and this is a magnetic connection, which we'll take a look a little bit later. Ooh, this band feels really nice. Nice, I like it. I already like it. Already like it. Gonna go ahead and undo this. Okay, get this off. Get the watch out. Ooh. Pretty nice piece of cardboard right there. I like it. And then of course, got to remove the plastic. Ah, so satisfying. Put that to the side. And here's the watch. And I have to say, very first impressions before I even turn this on is that this watch feels super light. Super light. I like it. Take a look at the back right there. It's where your charging point is. Sensors, etc. TicWatch Pro 3 right there. And some other information, so check that out. The band feels really good. I love the orange stitching here. Yeah, this feels really good, nice and light. Let's see, go ahead, turn this on. Let's see, turn this on. I hope it has a charge. Does it have a charge? It just vibrated? TicWatch, hell yeah. Here we go. See Wear OS here by Google. Very nice. Tap to begin. Let's go. I'll go ahead and tap that. English, United States, that's where I'm at. Go ahead and choose that. And then what is this? Some information here. Ooh, the scrolling feels nice and smooth. Do love that. I've read it, sure. And then on your phone, Wear OS by Google. All right, so this is my Pixel 5. All right, so I'm gonna do this. Let me do the software update. I'm gonna install Wear OS on the phone. Give me a second. Cool, looks like we're all set. As you can see, click done, and we are in. So I've been playing with this watch for a couple of minutes now, and I'd have to say I quite like it. I like this secondary display where it's always on, and you can see it outside during the day. It gets a little bit brighter when it's bright out, and it dims when it's dark out, obviously. And it sips on battery. I just love this secondary display. It's always on, tells you the time, the battery, etc. And then if you want to get into the watch, you just press this, and this is your watch face. Now to change your watch face, go ahead and just long press, and we have your options here. So you can see, you click on this, and here's your other options. Now you can do the same thing in the Wear OS app. You go over here, and then these are your collections. Now this is within Wear OS. The TicWatch app would have more options. Overall, it's a pretty cool looking watch. I like how it feels on the wrist. This strap feels good quality, feels really good, nice and smooth. I quite like it. The body of the watch feels good as well, nice and solidly made. The buttons feel good, gives you nice feedback on both buttons here. So I do quite like that. I love the orange stitching here also on the band. Gives it a nice contrast. Overall, it's a good looking watch. I like it. And the speakers over here if you're wondering. We'll do a real quick size comparison. This is the TicWatch Pro 3 and this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch, the first one, not the 3. So just have a look. This one is pretty much all blacked out. We'll go this way. Have a look. And in the back, take a look at that. TicWatch 3 feels lighter in my hand than the Galaxy Watch. Yeah, definitely. This is definitely the heavier watch. This feels super light. Let's go ahead and test out the charging, how it works. So you just plug this into any power source, any power brick, and then this is magnetic. So check that out. That's pretty cool right there. Cool. So this is the TicWatch Pro 3. Let me know what you want me to do with this watch in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.